Hello, hi ma'am, how are you?
Yes, I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Thank you very much for asking. So, as we are
All
meeting for
right.
the first time, let's start with introduction. So, can you tell me about yourself in brief?
Yes, absolutely. As you already know, my name is Suman. I'm from Delhi. I have done my graduation, and apart from that, I have done NTT diploma. Currently, I'm doing masters in English literature. Simultaneously, I'm also running a YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Okay, great introduction. So, let me tell you about myself. So, my name is Muleshwari and I'm from Chhattisgarh state. I completed my study and if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, and I like to learn new things. And it's been 1.5 months. I'm uploading some conversation videos on my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel name is Eco English. That's all about me.
All right. So, for my first question is that why do you put name Eco English on your channel? What's the reason behind it?
Uh, okay. When I started making a video, I put the name Let's Learn Together. Then one of my friends suggested me like let's learn together. We have a lot of name. So let me suggest some name. Then he sent me some like a lot of name. Then he also told me like this name there is not much channel, so you can put this channel like Eco English. In the beginning, I also searched like what the meaning of eco. Then I searched eco is kind of environment, so I can say it's environment for English.
All right, that's great.
Yeah.
So, when did you start your journey?
Actually, I started learning English in 2021. Let me tell you from the beginning. I got interest to learn English in 2020, and I got to know about uh, one application, Hello application. I installed that, but I was not able to talk anything, and I had a lot of fear to talk with stranger because I don't talk with friends on call, and I got mobile at that time only. Then I installed, but I had a lot of fear. I just got some friend who knows Hindi, so I texted them. Then they used to encourage me to talk on call and to learn English. But because of my fear, I just uninstalled that application. But sometimes I used to listen on YouTube. Then, like after 1 year, 2021, I thought I should learn English anyhow because I got so much interested and I just wanted to remove my fear. Then I installed that application, and I'm so lucky I found the same friend there. They were learning English, and they got surprised like how you again like after 1 year how you get this confidence. Then I said I if I feel negative and have fear, then I can't learn. So this time I decided I will learn anyhow. Then I started my journey, and they because that time also I was beginner because I was not learning, so they helped me a lot. I was using mostly Hindi, and they were converting me, they were suggesting me, I was applying all the I was doing many kind of activity. Mostly I used to listen a lot, like same video I was listening 10 times, 15 times also, until I get the all vocab from those I'm getting call.
Okay, you can receive.
No need to receive, sorry.
All right. It's okay. Sometime
Yeah.
occur. Mhm.
Yeah. So okay, I was saying that same video I was watching again and again. Am I visible right now?
Yes, you are visible to me clearly.
Okay, just wait, but I'm not able to see. I don't know where I have gone. Yeah, okay, I got. So sorry, I just used to listen same video again and again. Then I started explaining those video to some friends who were learning English, and in that application in Instamatch, we were getting uh, different people in every time. So I was explaining same video to each people. then that was helping me a lot, because in the beginning I was not able to talk, but then after listening again and again, I was trying to explain the stories or anything whatever I was learning. So it was helping me. And then I started explaining motivational video. I used to watch mostly motivational video and fairy tales. And then I started explaining many things, like some I was choosing topic. I was searching on Google about the topic. Then I started discussing with friends. And I was doing many kind of activities in Telegram group. I joined there, and that I found some serious learner who were really interested to learn English and very much serious. They were coming on particular time with particular topic, and everyone discussing same topics. So I was getting different views from each people about same topics, and the way they are talking in a different way, same sentences. So I was learning, it was increasing my thinking level. So that's helped me a lot. So then that's how I learn.
Wow, I can say great journey to started from zero level or now this is your position because as you
Yeah.
mentioned, you were scared. You were scared while connecting with the people and you mostly used Hindi
Yeah.
initially. So I can say this is a great achievement. Now you are able to face the people. Now you also create a channel. So I hats off you and I really appreciate you. So you because of just watching YouTube video or just listening, you get achievement. So now I can say now you are able to face anyone, I think, and
Yeah.
you can also understand, right?
Yeah, I can talk with anyone. Actually, I started making YouTube channel when I was learning YouTube video, when I was learning English, for just learning vocabulary, because as I told you, I was doing many kind of activity. So it was part of one activity. I was searching some 1 minute 2 minutes video. I was not showing my face because I was not good at English. And then I was choosing one vocabulary. I was searching antonyms, synonyms, and how to make sentence. Then I was editing, and I was doing this kind of things. So that was helping me to uh, improve my vocabulary, because I comes from Hindi medium school, and so I don't have much vocabulary. Still, I'm just trying to improve those things.
Wow, great sharing, I can say. Those are like really want to start their own communication skill, and those are not able to understand where should I start. So yes, I must say through this video, just you have to start listening because when we listen so we get a lots of ideas from others videos and just try to speak if you like if anyone afraid of speaking in front of to anyone so just they start to speaking in front of the mirror and in front of the camera. So as you mentioned already, I listened to 10 to 15 times videos and then I try to explain those with whom I connected, right? So this
Yes,
is a
yes.
also very good point. If you are like if you don't have any like particular topic to face anyone and if you don't have ideas, so you can also share your stories which you learn from YouTube. So this is a, I can say, great idea.
Yeah, you're right, ma'am.
As you mentioned, your friend suggested you to keep this name Eco English, right? So she is
Yes, ma'am.
also able to, she or he is also able to speak English.
Yeah, actually, he also knows English, and he was learning English. And at that time, so some learner were making YouTube channel. So he also make, but he was uploading some kind of he was writing English and Hindi, some Sairi kind of things, not like related to English. So he suggested, I asked him like how to make YouTube videos. I just want to make for like learning vocabulary. Then he suggested me, and he also give number to one ma'am. And that ma'am also tell me about like how to make YouTube videos like that. So because I just started from zero. So and I had only online friends, and I don't have much offline friend. Even my friends are like they are not interested. And like when I was how to say, I was alone, you can say. Like when my all friends from my village, they leave their study after 8th class. So from there, like I was alone in like 9, 10th, and higher secondary to 11, 12. Then for college also I was alone. So but I never feel like I'm alone. I was just enjoying myself. I was learning so many things, like in 11, 12, like when I went a different school. At that time I joined one computer class, and actually I live in a border of Odisha. So that is that classes that NGO conducted that. So I gave exam, then I joined that class. So I was going there. That place where I was learning computer was different, and I was learning like I was going for a school that was different. So I was traveling like 15 kilometers. Like I used to go early in the morning for computer class. Then from that area only I used to go to school. So I don't have a lot of time. I didn't have a lot of time. So and I was totally busy, and but I was enjoying that because I was learning something every time. Like then in and when I completed that class, then I joined like stitching class. I learned so many things. Like I was just utilizing my time. So and I was alone, so I just my mind was going in learning things, and I was enjoying those things.
Wow, amazing, I can say. You are always hunger to grab the knowledge, grab the things, grab the activity, right?
Yeah, you're right. As
Okay.
I told you in the beginning, like I like to
Also
learn
speak
new
with
things. So this, yeah.
Hmm. Yes. Do you also speak with your friend who suggested you like channel name or yeah? Do you speak with him or her English also?
I do speak, but now he is not learning. Like 3, 4 years back, when I was learning at that time, then I started after learning English in 2022. I started doing job, and I came back city. Then I was not connected with friends. Only WhatsApp number I have. So sometimes like I just message, but I'm not talking. And mostly I'm talking on this Skype application nowadays. I'm too much busy. I'm not talking with anyone.
All right. So how much calls do you attend in a day?
Actually, sometimes 5 and sometimes 3 and 2. Actually only 1.5 month I'm uploading this video, and I'm using this Skype, and I got to know about I got to know that it will not work for so long. So that's why I'm using a lot, because I just want to utilize this for some days. So I think I'm giving much time to this than study nowadays, because I I think I just only talk with 50 people maybe, but I didn't upload it all. Like I have pending videos, and so many people like knows about this application 3, 4 years back. I think they are using, but I was not focusing on this kind of things because I totally busy on job and study. I told you so. That then I left my job. Then I thought I should again work on my skill. I left like I left sorry, I lost my fluency, so I should start again. So that's why, to be consistent, and I just you like started again learning. And this
So
is
when did
my like first experience in video conversation. It's been 1.5 month only. Before, when I learned, it was only audio.
all right. So when did you like sorry, what did you do before 1 month? Like what kind of job did you do?
Actually, I was working in electricity department as a customer care executive, and before 1 year, I was teaching in school. Actually, I'm living in city right now. For rent purpose, I was doing
Which purpose?
rent house. It's a rent house, no? So
Okay,
that's why.
all right.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. I think we should end this session, and it was really nice conversation with you. And I hope we will connect again. Thank you very much for joining me.
Yes, sure. Yeah, I also enjoyed. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.